Last year we were allowed to bid for new equipment to improve the HVAC program, to increase the technology, and to allow the students to delve into the more commercial and refrigeration side of the business, where a trainer like this will allow me to be able to install bugs in the system or troubleshooting problems and have a dedicated curriculum just towards troubleshooting. So Joe here is my lead student on a job. He's a senior. He took the reins on this project. He uncrated all these units with the help of other students. They got a chance to not only install them, but to troubleshoot these machines. And the benefit to these students is to be able to see a modern piece of equipment with the basic processes so that they can actually work on these systems and see how they operate and how to troubleshoot. We had to strip out the entire room here so that we could make this our technology center. It takes my program to another level in terms of cutting edge technology, where I am now able to demonstrate the proper methods of troubleshooting systems. So you can see on the systems here, there's sight glasses so that the students can see the actual refrigerant moving through the system. They can actually understand the actual optics of it by being able to see it. And this is an air conditioning unit, this is an air handler, this is a condensing unit. But the beauty of this device, not only can they use their phones to do troubleshooting, but they can do the setups and the maintenance, and they can see what happens right through their cell phone. This is the cutting edge of new technologies with air conditioning refrigeration units, to be able to monitor them through your own cell phone technology. See, the students can interact with the equipment to see what happens if they do different processes. This machine here is basically a commercial refrigeration unit. The one we were working on previous to this was basically a refrigeration unit like would simulate a house refrigerator or something of that nature. This one is purely commercial, so this brings another level to the class of being able to show not only the residential systems, how a small compressor works, but a large commercial unit with multiple evaporators. We can do a lot more with this system. The system can actually be changed and modified depending upon what the student wants to learn. But this is how they learn commercial work, which is the first time in the shop I've been able to actually have a decent commercial unit that runs for us.
Everything in here is very useful if you want to work for a business or if you want to do some work at home yourself. It's a great class to learn. These new units are great to learn from because you can't really see behind when you're really working at a home. So these are very beneficial to look deeper into. And if you want to, you can always experiment with what goes to what and how everything works by itself.